Hi, so I'm going to be finding the enthalpy change for the reaction given the following steps. So I wrote out my given reaction and my steps just to save a little bit of time, but here I have it out written. So to start, I'm going to be finding, so essentially I have to figure out how to get the enthalpy change for the steps given. So for the first step and change and the enthalpy change, I'm seeing that I have two hydrogen fluorides. So I have two hydrogen fluoride right here. So two hydrogen fluoride, and in my final enthalpy change reaction, I have four. Is it right here? 4 hydrogen fluoride. So essentially what I'd have to do then is I'd have to double the whole step in order to get 4 hydrogen fluoride. So if I'm doubling it, then I'd just be multiplying the end result hydrogen fluoride, or the end enthalpy change reaction, which is negative 537. And since I double it, I just multiply it by 2. And that is going to give me negative 1074 kilojoules. Okay, negative 1074. So I'm doubling, once again, I'm doubling it because I have to result in 4 hydrogen fluorides when I have 2. So everything would be doubling. So then for the next step, I have 1 carbon tetrafluoride. So 1 carbon tetrafluoride, and I need 2 in my reaction. So right there I need 2, but I have 1 here. So once again I have to double the whole reaction. So if I'm doubling negative 680, that is going to result in negative 1360 kilojoules. So negative 1360 for my second one. So for my last one, instead of doubling it, I have to, so if I look at my end reaction, I have ethylene, which is on this side, but I need it as a reactant. Therefore, what I have to do to get it on the other side is I have to reverse it. So if the enthalpy change reaction is 52.3 kilojoules and I reverse it, essentially I'm just turning it into a negative. So that would be, instead of 52.3, it would be negative 52.3 kilojoules. So now that I have all my enthalpy change reactions, or new ones, I would just add them straight down. Minus 1360 minus 52.3. That would give me negative 2486 kilojoules. So that would be my enthalpy change for the reaction, my final enthalpy change for the reaction. So I wanted to write it out so you could see better what exactly I'm doing. So since I'm doubling these, I'm going to be I'm doubling everything. So I have 2 H2, 2 F2, 2 HF would be 4, 2 C, 4 F2, 2 CF, and then everything that's going to cancel out, I'm going to cancel out. So 2H2 is going to cancel out with the bottom 2H2. We're going to leave. And then 2 carbon is going to cross over 2 carbon. And then, yeah, there we go. So there's my visual of how everything is going to cancel out. And on the bottom right here, these cancel out, but these are going to reverse. So this is going to be on the reactant side, and these cancel out with the top ones that were doubled. So my final answer, negative 2486 kilojoules.